Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple GSTs to WooCommerce. So if there are any questions you can ask me in the comment section, I will surely help you out. So first of all, you must have installed a theme. You should have installed a plugin called WooCommerce, and let's begin. So firstly, go to WooCommerce, go to settings. Under settings, you have to go and click on enable tax. You have to click on enable tax and get tax calculations. Click on save changes. After that, your tax tab will be visible on your page. When you're on tax tab, you will see multiple options. So this is how you will see the screen. Prices entered with tax. So it's upon you, what do you want to do. If you want to show inclusive of tax, you can click on this option, otherwise this is based on the shipping address, shipping tax class, rounding. So here is the most important thing that you have to do. Firstly, if you have no GST, then you don't have to do anything. Now let's start with all the GST's percentage that's applicable in India. So 3%. Next is 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. Display prices in the shop including tax, display pricing during checkout, cart and checkout excluding tax. This you can do inclusive also. This is if you want to do a itemized bill which shows how much GST on what percentage. Now you click on save changes. Now you can see there's one called standard rates, 3%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28% rates. So these are all your GST percentage that are now in the taxes. So now what you can do is standard is basically a 0 percentage where products with no GST can be put. 3% is where you have to put 3% products which are basically applicable for 3% tax rates. Vice versa, same thing goes for 5%, 12%, 18 and 28%. So I'm going to be sharing a couple of links which has all the 3%, 5%, 12%, 28% CSVs. I'm going to show you an example. This is how the 3% GST CSV would look like. First we have in country code, which is India obviously for us. Then we have a state code, which is very important. So if you're selling from Delhi with a 3%, you would have to divide it into two, which is 1.5, 1.5. So 1.5 is SGST, 1.5 is CGST. So I just have to correct that, it's CGST. So and priority also again very important, first and second. This is the priority because we are selling from the state. So I'm selling from Delhi, that's why I kept it as 1.5, 1.5. If for example you're selling from Andhra Pradesh, you need to have AP as two APs, and you have to keep the priority as 1 and 2 and rest 3. So this is how you basically do this percentage calculation. And in case there's any doubts, you can obviously ask me in the comment section. Now after that, another important thing is your tax class. So this is how you would differentiate between the other tax classes. So this is, I've kept it as 3%. So when you upload this would look something like this. India, Delhi, rate, CGST, priority. So again, all these states. Now save changes. So this is how you upload a 3%, and similarly 5, 8, 12, 18 and 28 based on your state. After you're done with that, you can go to products and define their percentages. This is a sample that I have uploaded. So for example, let's show you. Go into edit product, So here you have your tax class. So here you can mention taxable. If there's not taxable, you can say none. Then there's your tax class. So 3, 5, 12, 18, 28. 3. Make it 3. Now we have 3% added to. This is inclusive of GST. So I'll show you how the breakup would look like. So this is basically 1.5, 1.5 GST percent. I'll show you one more thing. Once you're on the checkout page, this is how the page would look like. So I've just entered some details, which is first name test. I'm putting it at test. So very important thing, currently I've set my selling state as Delhi. So I've currently entered Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Sorry, the postcode might be wrong. I'm just doing it as a test. So this is showing 3% IGST. Now, very importantly, if I change my city to Delhi, for example, and I do my postcode as 110001, for example, you see the IGST changed to CGST and SGST, which is state and central tax. So this is a very important process that you have to do in order to maintain your accounting and not mess with your accounts, because this is a very important part of your accounting. Because as you must be filing your GST, you need to know which is your how much amount is there in your SGST, CGST and IGST respectively. So this is very important, guys. I hope you take care of it. One more thing I'm going to show you. For example, if there are two products, one is 3% and one is at 5%, how do you do it? So one second, I've already imported the 5% in this CSV and the stacks. So I'll show you. I'll do one more product. One second. For example, so this taxable, let's do it at 5% and publish. One second. Now updating it. I'm adding it to cart. Very importantly again. So as you see, there is multiple GST shown in this cart. One is for this product and the other 5% is for this. So if you proceed to checkout, same thing. This is calculated. This is a very important aspect of your billing and invoicing and your accounting. So please take care of this. Also, one more example I'll give you. Change to Indore. Change city to this becomes 3 and 5% respectively. So this is very important aspect. Please do take care of it, and in case of any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and I'll be posting more videos. You can put on more queries. I can help you resolve WordPress doubts and setting up websites. Thank you so much.